In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Microsoft Edge WebView on Windows in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Microsoft Edge WebView is a background component that many Windows apps use to display web content. Because of that, it can run in the background and use RAM and CPU even when you're not actively using Edge. Before we start, it's important to know that disabling WebView may cause some apps, like widgets or certain Microsoft apps, to stop working properly. So only do this if you really want to reduce background usage. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Next, click on Apps, then select Installed Apps. Scroll down and look for Microsoft Edge WebView 2 Runtime. Click the three dots next to it. If you see an Uninstall option, click it and confirm. This will remove WebView from your system. If the Uninstall option is not available, don't worry, there's another method. Now press Windows key plus R, type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and look for any service related to Edge or WebView. If you find one, double-click it. Change the startup type to Disabled, then click Stop and press OK. Next, restart your computer to apply the changes. After restarting, open Task Manager and check if Microsoft Edge WebView is still running in the background. And that's how you disable Microsoft Edge WebView on Windows. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.